Looking for an affordable way to zip around town without breaking the bank? Electric scooters under $200 offer a fun, eco-friendly solution for short commutes, campus cruising, or weekend adventures. While they may not come with all the premium bells and whistles, these budget-friendly models still deliver solid performance, portability, and convenience. In this guide, we'll highlight the best electric scooters under $200, proving that smart, efficient travel doesn't have to cost a fortune. Number 1. Swagtran Swagger 8 Folding Electric Scooter. This e-scooter comes with a noiseless rear hub motor that offers you a speed up to 15 miles per hour. The scooter's battery is very efficient, and it takes only 3 hours to fully charge. A single charge offers you a range up to 10 miles. It has a unique power-saving enhancement system, which saves up to 25% of power. There is an automatic cruise control system that gives your kid an amazing riding experience. The auto guard and the triple braking system provide your kid with more safety. Swagtran Swagger 8 Folding Electric Scooter comes with everything you want in an e-scooter. It has a compact and foldable design, which makes it portable. They made it with an aluminum alloy that is corrosion-free and durable. There is a folding lever on the down tube that makes it portable for you. The handlebar is adjustable, so you can adjust it to find the most comfortable position for your kid. On the handlebar, there is an LCD monitor, acceleration throttle, and brake engage button. This electric scooter is suitable for kids between 8 to 12 years. The adjustable handlebar makes it easy for you to find the perfect position for your kid. Its foldable design, advanced braking system, power-saving technology, and durable construction makes it a great option for your kids. Number 2. Razer E100 Glow Electric Scooter. Razer E100 Glow Electric Scooter is number 4 on my list of the best electric scooter under $200. This electric scooter comes with a 100 watts chain-driven motor that offers you a speed up to 10 miles per hour. It has two 12 volts lead-acid battery system that gives you 40 minutes of ride per single charge. The scooter has air-filled tires of 8 inches that soften out rough surfaces to provide you a smooth ride. They made its frame and fork with high-strength steel, which gives it strong and durable. This e-scooter has 8 inches wide deck, and it can hold up to 120 pounds. It has a stylish outlook. The responsive front brakes and slip-resistant grips make the riding experience safe and comfortable. Razer E100 Glow Electric Scooter is a stylish and fast e-scooter for your kids' outdoor entertainment. Some kids have less balance capability and coordination, and this scooter's slow kickstarting mechanism makes the ride easy for such kids. The electric scooter is suitable for kids above 8 years, and its safety mechanism and better control are its most significant factor. The smooth ride and safety factor makes it the choice of several parents. Number 3. Razer PowerCore E90 Electric Scooter. Razer PowerCore E90 Electric Scooter is number 8 on my list of the best electric scooter under $200. This electric scooter comes with an 85 watts hub motor that is maintenance-free and has high torque. It gives you a top speed up to 10 miles per hour. The e-scooter has a 12 volts lead-acid battery, offers you 80 minutes of continuous ride, or a range up to 13 miles. It comes with PowerCore technology. They made the frame and fork with high-strength steel. They fixed the handlebars at a height of 32.9 inches. It has hand-operated front brakes that are effective and ensure your kid's safety. They made the front wheel with spoked polyurethane, while they made the rear wheel with rubber. This electric scooter is rear-wheel drive, which offers your kid better traction and control. Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter weighs 21 pounds, and it can hold up to 120 pounds. This e-scooter is suitable for kids between 8 to 12 years. The scooter's soft starting feature and easy-to-learn feature makes it perfect for beginners. Number 4. FanttikRide T9 Apex electric scooter. The scooter features flashing rainbow LED lights on the deck. Kid can switch the music to your liking and enjoy the journey to the fullest. This scooter safety refueling switch, preventing unintended acceleration due to accidental touches. LED display speed updates. The triple brake system is thoughtfully designed with multiple levels of safety to ensure child's well-being. Incorporating multiple braking mechanisms offers reliability. Equipped with a powerful 25.2 V, 3.2 a large-capacity lithium battery, this scooter offers an impressive 1,200 charging cycles, ensuring prolonged and uninterrupted fun. It enables faster battery charging. This scooter offers 3 user-selectable speed modes, ENS. The E gear provides with a speed limit of 7 miles per hour. The N gear offers with a speed limit of 10 miles per hour, and the S gear, boasting speed of 12 miles per hour. Number 5. iScooter Electric Scooter. Introducing a budget-friendly and high-performance electric scooters ideal for both adults and teens. Our 350W electric scooter for adults reaches speeds of up to 18 miles per hour, 3 modes, 6/12/18 mph, making your daily commute faster and more economical. Cruise control ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride, while its sturdy build supports riders up to 220 pounds. Featuring a high-capacity 187.2 Wh battery, our adult electric scooter boasts an extended travel range of 12 miles on a single charge. With a quick charging time of 5 to 6 hours, you'll spend less time waiting and more time cruising. The built-in cruise control offers a hands-free experience, and its foldable design adds to its convenience. UL 2272 certified for safety and reliability, our adult scooter comes equipped with warning taillights and ultra-bright headlights, illuminating your path for up to 15 meters during night rides. The double braking system, comprising disc braking and ABS regenerative anti-lock braking, ensures a secure ride every time. Experience unparalleled convenience with our one-step folding mechanism, allowing you to fold the scooter in just 3 seconds. Weighing only 26.4 pounds, it's compact enough to fit in a car trunk. Perfect for city commutes, campus travels, and office commutes. Elevate your outings with this lightweight electric scooter,